born in the land of Kiunum, the land of the original Tokples Kiunum. He been got 7 tribes. Lone one pella hop lone fly river. Due to tribal wars, most population died. And so the leftovers decided to live together as one village. He been got 7 tribes. Lone one pella hop lone fly river. Due to tribal wars, most population died. So the leftovers decided to live together as one village. We speak vernacular Kiunum, and Tokples to me. Proud to still have my language as my identity. We speak vernacular Kiunum, and Tokples to me. Proud to still have my language as my identity. Turned into years, and the years went by. They intermarried, and all the 6 languages dissolved.